welcome to my channel. My name is Tracy with Keller Williams Heritage, and today we're going to take a house tour of this beautiful home that's located in Helotes, Texas. It's in West San Antonio, and it's about 7 miles just outside the 1604 highway loop that takes you around San Antonio. So you're not too far from the city here, but you still have that feeling of being out in the countryside here in the Texas Hill Country. And this home is set up on a hillside, so you've got views from every room, every angle, and wait till you see what's in the backyard. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, plus a den, and it is about 2,500 square feet, and I can't wait to show you, so let's get started. right, that is gonna do it for today's tour. What'd you guys think of this property? Let me know what you liked about it, what you didn't like about it. What were your favorite things? I love the pool. I love the primary master suite. I love the layout of the house, and the soaring ceilings are incredible. All the rooms are spacious and there's no carpeting in there. It's just a gorgeous, easy flow. I mean, really, it's the way that it all fits together. They just did a really good job with this home. And if you guys want to make it your own, or if you're interested in more information about it, reach out to me and I will be happy to help you out with this home or any other houses in the area. And I'm gonna get out of here and get out of the sun. It is hot. I wish I was able to go soak in that pool for a while. That would be nice. If you wouldn't mind, please hitting the subscribe and like button. I am working really hard to grow this channel. I'm going to be bringing you a lot more content, and I'm continually working on improving how my videos look and feel. And so you're going to see a little bit of experimentation with the styles and formats of videos that I'm doing, but we'll get there. And I really like this vlog style because it's definitely a lot more personable. You guys take care. I will see you in the next tour, and you have a great day.